Hello, right, hi, how you guys doing? Right, so today I'm gonna make keto ice cream, and I'm hacking the hell out of this. I'm making it directly in this jar because I've got one of these handheld mixers, and the beauty of these handheld mixers is it makes it directly in the jar, and then I can just put that jar directly in the fridge, and so I'm not having to do any extra cleaning, which is the best bit. So what I'm gonna put in there is I'm gonna put some lemon in there. I've got turmeric, this is organic turmeric. I've got some goose fat, I love goose fat by the way. I've got some butter, organic butter again. I love mustard, so I'm going to put this mustard in there as well. And I also love maca powder. I don't know if you guys have tried it, black maca powder, it's organic. I put it in my coffees, everything, it's just amazing, it just gives you loads of energy. And then I've got four organic eggs from Waitrose. So I'm going to put those in there, and then the machine is here, and boom. And the thing is, it'll just make it in no time at all. So, there we go. Let me put this in. So you just basically crack the eggs in there directly. Just like this. I've only got 4 eggs left, so I'm just using all of them up. And then I've got a special spoon for measuring everything else. This is a half a tablespoon. So as I was saying, I love maca powder. It's just awesome. And then I'm going to put the whole of the butter in there, basically. And then whatever I can get out of this, I will just use it all up. There's not much goose fat left. The problem with goose fat is I end up eating it all. I just use it for everything. You can also get duck fat as well. Duck fat is awesome as well. And then I squeeze the lemon in there. What you should do is roll the lemon before, and it just makes it so much easier to extract the juice from it. If you haven't got lemon, then you can use raw apple cider vinegar. The organic turmeric. Now this is, I buy it from a quality shop, and the color is so much more vibrant. Just it's off the charts. And obviously I love mustard. I grew up on mustard, so I basically put it in everything. I mean, I could live off mustard alone. We have 4-egg keto ice cream. That's it. Now I put it in the freezer and then have it when I'm ready. This is it. There you go. See, do you see that? Less than 5 minutes to make keto ice cream. Less than 5 minutes, and very little cleaning up to do. And bingo. Thank you very much. I'm Biohacking Joe Bains. Follow me everywhere. I'm on Facebook, Meetup, Instagram, everywhere. Thank you very much. Enjoy it.